Sustainability is a global issue, but there are ways you can make an impact and do your part at home every day. The Family Green Living Kit will help you and your kids learn about sustainability and how you can make a positive impact for our world through fun activities, games, and books. You can use this kit at home, in the classroom, backyard, or anywhere you go. Your children will become environmental stewards and learn just how easy it is to help the planet through their everyday actions. This kit includes 5 books about sustainability, trivia cards, games for the whole family, and so much more. Check out the Family Green Living Kit for free at any Sarasota County library. And don't forget to check out our other backpack kits, like the Explore Your World backpack and the DIY Energy and Water Audit Kit.